Hello, my name is Jackson Freakin. This is my RC boat, and this is my controller for the RC boat. Okay, let's talk about how the RC boat and the RC controller work. So starting with the RC controller, this is powered by a Arduino Nano, and it's taking the data inputs from these two joysticks. One is the throttle, which is right here, and one is the steering, which is right here. And it also takes a light level reading from a light sensor, which will be sent over to the RC boat. And then there's also a LCD screen here, right here, which shows you your level percent of your throttle you are at. And then it'll show you which way you are turning the steering. And then there'll be a L right here, which will show you your if your light is on or off on the boat. Then right here, it'll show you if I'm connected or not to the boat, which is extremely helpful. Okay, so from my inputs, I collect that data on the Arduino Nano, right? And then that data is converted into a data pack that is then sent over. And it's 3 different data packs that I'm sending over. So here's the boat. You can see it. It says Top Gear. I like it. You got the steering right here with a little 5-ounce servo motor. Then we have the propeller right here. Then we have another motor in here. This is a motor from a RC car inside, and that basically acts as like a servo motor, which is extremely helpful when coding it. The electronic speed controller is right there, and then I have a 12-volt battery right here, and this 12-volt battery is hooked up to my ESC, which then it'll drop the voltage from its 12 volts to 5 volts that then I can power the Arduino Nano. Okay, so when I turn this thing on, I power it on right here. It'll reset everything to 0, so be better. Here's my controller. Here's there, steering. So now you understand how the RC boat works. Let's jump back to me when I was at the pool testing the RC boat out, and then let's jump to a clip of me at the river testing the RC boat out. The motor works. And now they're going. Okay, let's talk about some limitations and areas that I could improve on now. Starting with improving the steering. This one works decently well. It'll turn both ways. It's kind of like a suggestion that I would like it to turn this way. And I need to redesign them so that they're a little bit farther out and a little bit deeper so that there's more connection with the water. Another limitation is the motor. Right now the motor is running at 20% full throttle. The reason being is if I go any faster than that, the water is too much torque for the motor, and I'll play a clip of it over the top of me talking. But when there's too much torque, the motor will kind of hop. And so ways I would improve this is I would lower the prop height by about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. I'm going to be designing a planetary gearbox to put before the prop so that I can start spinning it at a higher speed. Like, it does everything a boat does. It is not as fast as I would like it to be, and it's not as impressive as I would like it to be. But moving forward, I know what I need to fix. Well, bad news. Had to jump in the water. I guess not too cold, but it was working well. It's hard to get a video. Got a little water in there, so